Tanveer Mohammed Masood, and in this edition of Science and Technology, I will basically try and continue my discussion on the various aspects which are associated with value chain analysis, the different parts and concepts which are basically a core part and portion of value chain analysis. Primary activities and secondary or service activities are the two most important core parts of value chain analysis. And secondary activity or service activity is that part of value chain analysis which basically helps in adding value to the products that have already been sold by way of services, by way of enhancement of the lifespan of any product for that matter. So secondary activities are basically divided and subdivided into various other concepts. It's basically divided into various parts. There are five most important concepts under secondary activity. First and foremost part is that of the human resource management and the management of the employees of the company, the recruitment, sourcing, and hiring of the employees to make sure that he would rather participate in the production of goods, commodities, or the product to make sure that that product is made available to the purchaser as quickly as possible. So human resource management is another important concept under secondary activity, and the third concept is that of the technology development. Under technology development, the firm has to make sure that the technology or the knowledge of the firm is basically preserved, and that it's not basically duplicated or stolen by way of illegal activity, by way of manipulation, or by way of trying to manipulate certain important confidential company data. So fudging is another important aspect which basically comes under technology development, and fudging basically helps, it basically goes on to manipulate the firm's data and technology as well. Therefore, technology development and making sure that the technology of the firm is preserved is an important and most core part of secondary activity.